Good. This is a board based on the IST1820 chip, which is a little chip that allows you to record little snippets of audio and play it back. This board has a built-in microphone, a few buttons and a port to attach the speaker to. So let's play electronic Lego and see what we can do with it. To demonstrate it, let's hook it up quickly and have a listen to it. Basically it's like a little electronic parrot, but you will see soon. More like now. The idea is to put the board in the box with a switch. Once you hit the switch, the audio will be looped and looped until you hit the switch again. So let's gather the components. Okay, this is the battery management we obviously need. It must run on batteries. And we also need a battery. Therefore I'm taking the lithium-ion battery out of the Nokia phone, the old Nokia phone, which I will disassemble in a separate video linked below. This will work with the battery management, but I have to boost the power to 5 volt to make it work with the board. Okay, next thing is I thought about using a little amplifier to make it even louder, but I ditched it later on. And of course the button. This button was salvaged from an old TV. So basically for free. And it's done. Okay, let's have a look inside. So basically we gaze upon my perfect installation and let me walk you through it. So basically this is the speaker you see, and this is the battery from the Nokia. This is the switch obviously, and I printed something to put under it, because if you push here all the force will go down and there's to be something that counters it. This is the power supply. Actually now I received smaller designs of these, so could replace this if I want to, but I don't. And this is the repeater. As you can see, you can take it out, so you can reprogram it or re-record it. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Subscribe! Okay, now I re-recorded it. Let's put it back together. And this is obviously the charging port. So if I want to charge it, I plug it in there, and this will monitor the lithium battery and limit the voltage and put the 5 volts into the 3 point something for the lithium battery. So we put this back there. And basically it looks like this once it's done, and you can play with it by subscribe. That's the perfect annoyance box. And actually I wanted to put the charging port here, but then I was too lazy. So this was 3D printed, you see it's not perfectly aligned. Then I printed the small knob and I ran out of filament, so I had to use new one. And then I have this lid or this bottom piece, and with a little bit of hot glue I will just put it in there and it's done. Voila! Easy box of annoyance. Enjoy! Subscribe! 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 Subscribe!